Here is an explanation of how to use the software called Geogebra. So you head to the website geogebra.org. So it's spelled just like this. Also, it's an app on the iPad you can get if you want. And you click on Start Calculator. And then you're going to use this circle triangle tool. And now you can just play around with it if you want to do some stuff, but this is your, all your stuff is on the left here. So if you want to construct something like a line segment, it kind of tells you down here how to do it. So you select 2 points. So let's say we selected this point and this point. Now we have a line segment. We can measure the distance of that line segment if we want to. Whoops, shoot. Usually I just click this arrow here so that I'm not creating more line segments. And then I can select things. I can change the color of the line or label it. I think there's a way, what's show trace? I don't know. Okay, so distance. So I can get it to calculate the distance for me. Oh, that didn't seem to work. Okay, there's also a thing on here that says distance or length. So you can click on that and just select your 2 points and it will measure the length of your line. So 8.5 units. What else do we want to do? Oh, let's use another line segment. So from here to here. And let's say we want to measure an angle. So you can go to the measure angle section and it says select 3 points or 2 lines. So I can select this line and this line. And it kind of defaults to give me this giant angle. So you can actually click on it. Sorry. And go to setting. No. Ooh, I'm not that good at this. Angle. There you go. So you can click on it and say that you want the angle between 0 and 180, then it will give you the inside angle there. So that's a right click. Or if you want the bigger angle, whatever you want. Okay. Get the smaller one. Okay, there we go. So what else do we want to do? We can create shapes too and circles. So you can create a circle by starting with the center. So you click a spot that you want the center, and then you can kind of determine how big you want your radius to be. That's how you make a circle. You can measure the radius by doing your distance or length. You can determine the radius is 1.5 units. What else? Okay, if we click on more, we can make some polygons. So let's say we wanted to make a triangle. So we just have to click on 3 dots, and then you have to end at your first vertice. So then it creates your triangle, and it labels the angles with capital letters, and the side lengths are labeled with lowercase letters, and the ones that are opposite match up. So this capital H angle matches up with side H right across from it, which is a important naming thing. You can measure all the angles in your triangle if you wanted to. So if we wanted to, we could just say, oh, what's the angle between those 3? It's, again, always going to give you that outside angle, so you just have to switch it. And what's the angle between these 2 lines? And what's the angle between these 2 lines? There we go. So now we have the interior angles of all of our triangles. I don't know if you can, I'm sure you can. I haven't used this program too much. But I'm thinking you could change the decimal points. I'm sure you guys will figure it out before me. Okay, I don't know. What else can we do? We can make parallel and perpendicular lines. So I think we have to create a line first. So let's say we made a line. There's a line, not a line segment, but an actual line. And let's say we wanted to make a perpendicular line. So it says here, select a point and a perpendicular line. So we just pick a point somewhere, and then we select the line that we want it to be perpendicular to, and now we have a set of 2 perpendicular lines. And if we wanted to check the angle, we can do that, and it gives us this gigantic angle. So we can just change that, and then it can tell us that, oh, the angle between those 2 lines is 90. You can also create parallel lines, perpendicular bisectors, angle bisectors. There's so many things you can do. You can create any kind of polygon that you want. I'm trying to think what else you would use. Oh, you can do, so with this triangle here, let's say you wanted to find the midpoint of a line. So you just select the 2 points that you want to find the midpoint between. So say I picked this one and this one, it'll give me a point that's directly halfway between those 2 points. And I could do that again on the other side of my triangle. So then I have 2 midpoints. And if I wanted to connect a line segment between those 2 midpoints, I would just click on those points. And now I've made a line segment in between the 2 midpoints on my triangle. So I'm going to have you play around with this program a little bit, and you're going to try to do some investigations with it to figure some stuff out in this section of the course.